guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the December Bellabox, so let's get into it. So we have a pink box this month. I'm surprised it's not the usual Christmas red box that they usually do, but still good nonetheless. And we've got the card with all the products. So the first one is this big one. It is the 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator Neck Cream. I've never heard of a neck cream before. It's full size, 60 ml, $42.95, available Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, and 40fathoms.com.au. 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator Neck Cream contains the power of Maritech Bright Organic Fucoid and polyphenol, which visibly transforms the skin by regenerating skin cells, helping the skin restore itself into its natural radiance. The tightening action of Majestum creates firmer skin on the neck and décolletage, helps reducing fine lines, age spots, and wrinkles. Well, that's very interesting. I have never had a neck cream before. Usually I just when I'm doing my skincare, I'll bring my moisturizer down and bring it onto my neck rather than using a separate cream for the neck. So I'll definitely give it a go. I just didn't realize that neck cream was a thing. Something, not super exciting we've received in the box before. It is the Frieda Frizz Secret Weapon. It is 50 ml sample, $16.99. Oh, so no, this is the 30 ml sample, but the 50 ml full size is $16.99 at Woolworths, Coles, Chemist Warehouse, and Priceline. Prevent frizz and repel humidity by treating your hair to Frizz Secret Weapon Finishing Cream. This exceptional cream helps camouflage imperfections such as flyaways, static frizz, and split ends for a sleek, polished finish with a silky touch. So I have used this stuff before from Bellabox. I'll definitely use it, but it's not like a super overwhelmingly interesting product or anything. It's kind of yep, another one of these sort of thing. We have one of these little Reef coconut tanning oils. This is the sample. It's a Reef coconut suntan oil, SPF 30. The full size is 125 mils, $11.49 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, and Woolworths. Reef coconut suntan oil, SPF 30, gives broad spectrum protection from harmful effects of UVA and UVB rays. The dry oil formulation glides on, is fast drying, and absorbs quickly to leave the skin feeling moisturized, soft, and hydrated. Scented with the smell of summer, Reef signature coconut fragrance. I don't really go out and suntan, so I don't know how much I really use to get out of this, but I understand, it's summer. This is the sort of thing that you would receive in a summer box. I get it. It's just not something I don't go out and suntan in the sun. So yes, I am a pale girl and I'm happy to kind of stay that way, So we have a little perfume sample. This is the Guess Bella Vita Eau de Parfum. This is just a sample size, but the 100 ml full size is $69 at Priceline. Celebrating the allure of a Guess woman, this fruity floral fragrance opens with playful and vibrant notes of zesty Italian lemon, juicy cassis, and luscious black cherries, followed through with a velvet white floral heart composed of jasmine, tuberose, and vanilla orchid. Shall we give it a bit of a sniff? It does smell alright, actually. It's not bad. I would definitely use up the sample. I'm glad it's a spray bottle one and not just a jar of oil. But yeah, that's actually not that bad. I would definitely use that one up. That's actually a nice smell. So, and it's not too expensive either. The 100 mils is only 69 bucks. So that's actually affordable as well. So I do like that one actually. It's a good one. And this one is a liquid lipstick. It is a ModelRock Chic Liquid to Matte. Revolution, rock Chic. So there's a few different things that we could have received. This one, there was some other Style London and Nails Ink products, as well as a lipstick. I got the shade Sweet Flirt. So it doesn't really have a price or anything, just because it was like a multiple product situation. It's a pinky color. That's what the color is there. The lighting is a bit weird. It's more of a pinky nude rather than the color it's showing up on the screen though. It is pinkier than it looks. And we have another one of these Drink Me vouchers. I usually just pass them on to somebody else because I can't drink all of that wine on my own and I don't have $100. So. And we have some like information about that neck cream, which, you know, again, interesting product. I've never really heard of a neck cream before. So yeah. Guys, so we didn't get a bonus this month. That's a bit disappointing. Usually those sachet samples kind of, you know, help to boost the box a little bit. In terms of the box, I'm kind of 50-50 on the samples. I think the neck cream, it's an odd product, but it's a full size product that's worth $42. So I'm not like super upset about that. The liquid lipstick is also nice despite it being matte. But there's no price, so I can't really like know the value. It's probably not too expensive because it's only from ModelRock. The Frizz Ease treatment is alright. It's not like a, you know, star product or anything for me. The fragrance is a nice scent, but it's just, you know, this is just a small little fragrance sample that, you know, if anything, that should be a bonus size sample. And the Reef oil, not really up my alley. So yeah, I'm not 100% like big thumbs up on the box. Like, it's an alright box. I did expect a little bit more from their Christmas box, but you know, it is what it is. It's not a terrible box, but it's not a fantastic one either. So yeah, bit disappointed we didn't get a bonus. Always get a bonus. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box. What did you think of the products that you got? Did you get anything different than what I got? What did you think of what I got? Blah, blah, blah. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.